Hi guys, my name is Smriti Thakur. I'm 21 years old and I'm a musician. And I post a lot of content on YouTube and Instagram. And yeah, I'm gonna talk about my journey so far and everything. I started this music thingy. My parents put me into a music school when I was 8 years old, and I was too small to realize what I wanted to do, so I did not think much of it and I started enjoying it as a hobby until recently. During the pandemic, I realized that I'm good at it and I could actually, start posting it on social media. And I started posting it, and fortunately a lot of people started liking my content, and a lot of people followed, commented, DM'd me and sent me a lot of like good messages, like they were appreciating me, motivating me to do more and everything. So that's when I realized that this is something I would like to do full time. And at that time I was preparing for MBBS entrance exams and all, but that was when I realized that this is not something I want to do for the rest of my life, so I dropped it right there and I decided to take on music. But I'm also pursuing business side by side. I did not have the, I did not want to just, drop education and start pushing, like focusing on music alone. So I switched careers and I got into the commerce field, and I'm doing music side by side as well, and it's going pretty so far and I'm enjoying it. मेरी सारी खुशियाँ तेरी हो गई, आज से तेरा गम मेरा हो गया, वो तेरे कंधे. And about the challenges and everything that I have faced, I would say I have been lucky, because during the pandemic all of us were pretty free and we got a lot of time to pursue our passion, to figure out what exactly we wanted to do in life. So that's something I would always be grateful about, the time that I got. And also my parents, who were super supportive, and they were always like, you should try to make it a career if you want to. So some challenges would be like, when I was dropping the medical and MBBS entrance exams, a lot of people were like, this could not be a very good idea, because music mein kya rakha hai, like it's just for entertainment, it could be treated like a hobby. But that was not it for me. I wanted to do it full time. So that was like a challenge, I would say, to convince people that yes, I am capable of doing this. And I hit 30k, almost 30k recently, so 30k followers on Instagram, so that's a big achievement for me, I would say. So yeah, I'm grateful about that. A list of my achievements so far, like I've won a lot of trophies in school for music and everything. At the present moment, I would say I got to sing 2 songs, and in fact almost 3 to 4 songs in Bollywood, and I got an offer from another label. I got an acting offer. Those are some of some achievements that I would consider calling dreams, because before even getting started, I had a lot of doubt, like whether I'd be able to do anything at all. But right now I think I'm doing pretty all right for myself. And also I'm about to hit 30,000 followers on Instagram, so that's another a dream that's coming true. So those are some of my achievements. An advice would be, if I could speak to my younger self right now, I had a lot of issues, not exactly issue, I would not call it issue, but when I was growing up, I did not have a lot of friends, too many friends, and I always thought that I did not fit in, and I sometimes would try to fit in, but later I realized that it's fine if you do not fit in, it's totally fine. So an advice that I would like to give to my younger self is that you cannot possibly fit in if you were born to stand out. And yeah, another advice would be to pursue what you actually love doing. that will give you the satisfaction, and that would actually make you happy. Trust me, it will make your heart happy. It will give you a reason to live. I mean, it will just make you happy in general. Just believe in yourself, and it's fine. It's all gonna be all right as long as you're doing the thing that you love and you're actually enjoying it. That's all that matters. Yeah. Thank you for having me. Thank you so much.